Deep beneath the earth, something ancient awakens. A pulse of energy surges through hollow earth, shaking forgotten ruins. And far across the sea, a titan stirs. Godzilla has felt the call. In the heart of darkness, Kong rises. He climbs from the depths, answering a threat older than time. For the first time, Kong and Godzilla stand not as rivals, but as allies. From the shadows of hollow earth, it comes. A beast forged in fire, older than both kings. Cities fall, outposts crumble, as the new Titan rises to claim the throne. Steel meets scale, fire meets fury. Godzilla unleashes atomic wrath. Kong swings his battle axe with primal vengeance. And in the ruins of a lost world, the war begins. Victory, but not peace. The beast is fallen, yet the earth trembles still. Above them, the skies shift, and a darker force stirs beyond the stars. This was only the beginning.